One of the toughest things as a VTuber is coming up with your design. Your design is the first thing people will see when discovering you as a streamer. They'll see it on a thumbnail, on your icon, your banner, etc. This won't determine long-time viewers, but this will certainly entice or turn away people from clicking on you. There are many things to consider when making your design, your aesthetic. How eye-catching it is, how interesting it is, and whether or not you like it as a representation of you. In my previous video, I talked about branding, basically the topic or topics that make up who you are and what you do. For example, I'm somebody who loves cute things and being cozy, so my model is cute, there's pastel-like colors, and I'm wearing cozy pajamas. Art of my model reflects that. There are things such as my sleeping face that I use as an icon, and my banner, which has me on my bed petting my kitty. As a cooking enthusiast, I draw myself cooking or with food. My logo, overlay, and schedule all use the same cute style and colors. This is my aesthetic, my brand. Now, how do you take this to make something eye-catching? What if your brand is coffee? Something that is an array of browns and dull colors. Well, something with coffee is cream. If all of your clothes and aesthetic follow shades of brown, then have a main feature on your model to contrast it having a cream-colored hair. I had someone recognize me once when I talked in their stream because of my bright pink hair color. My design is overall very simple, so you may think I don't know what I'm talking about when it comes to what an interesting model is. In a time where gachas are pumping out designs up the wazoo, there's something I've noticed due to this. One of the most famous games currently is Genshin Impact. While it is very popular and there's a lot of fan art out there of it, there are details in their designs that artists won't draw due to their complexity, or they will avoid drawing the characters entirely because it's such a big project just to draw their entire outfit. A big part of helping spread as a VTuber is fan art. If a lot of people draw you, it shows that there are people who love you enough to spend hours of their life making art of you. This also helps you spread in general. People like a certain artist and they make fan art of you, they may be inclined to check you out. Honestly, it's just basic word of mouth. If your friend likes this one thing, then you might too, but having a visual helps it even more since people can fall in love with the art piece before even knowing the person. There are many times where I will check out an entire show because I saw one piece of fan art that resonated with me really well. This is the same concept. I went a little off track there, but overall, I'm trying to say that a simple design will make it easier for fans to make fan art. Another thing to note is that usually VTubers only show their model from their shoulders up. Keeping your most important details there is important, since that's what's going to be seen the most. If you have complicated shoes important to your character's lore, people aren't really gonna see it. So instead aim for a special accessory such as a hat, hairpin, or necklace that will be seen on stream more often. Now, how good is your design as representing who you are as a person? This is probably the most important thing because if you don't like the design, you're more likely to change it, and people who vibe with your design might be disappointed when they hear the things you talk about or play on stream. For example, if you have a sports uniform as part of your design but only talk about how much you hate sports, it's going to confuse some people. Think hard about your design and if you really like it before starting to post it, so that you don't confuse your audience and so that you attract like-minded people to encourage and support you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment or ask me in one of my streams. I got more VTuber tips to come, so I'll see you then. Bye bye!